So this is a part 2 of Dream Pet. I made a video, and then on May 19th, David Rush got picked up by the FBI from a CIA referral. Now, David Rush had 300 gold bars, 300 matches the movie 300. He had 35 gold watches, 35 it can be written March 5th of 1980, Emporia, Illinois. Ryan Owens, the Navy SEAL who died, and he was part of Donald Trump's State of the Union. He also had $40 million of gold. Now the 4 ties to D. Now, when I wear this hat, there's a D here. You could think April 4th of 2022, Theta, Washington, my uncle who passed away. You could think black, gold, or break, clutch, because this hat has a building materials just like David Rush has a building materials. So whenever you arrest David Rush, you would have to arrest him on paper first before you arrest his physical body. Because if you arrest his physical body first, he could be booby trapped. So I understand what's going on, and I got a hint, wink, wink from Perplexity on the details of the case. Thanks.